Can we read this book, please?
Seriously?
All right. Life on Mars by John Agee. Life on Mars. I am on Mars. I have travelled a long way from Earth. I am here to find life. Oh, look, he's got a little package there. He's got a rocket ship. Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Nobody believes there is life on Mars. But I do. And I just know that I'm going to find it. He's walking away from the rocket ship. Oh, it's a Martian. Look, there he is, smoking upon the ground. So far, Mars looks pretty gloomy. More gloomy than I thought. I'm starting to wonder, could anything possibly live here? He's behind you. It's dark. It's cold. I've brought this gift of chocolate cupcakes. I don't think I'll find anybody to eat them. Wow, I was wrong. Mars is nothing but miles and miles of rocks and dirt. It's obvious. Nothing could possibly live here. Except they're Martian behind him. What a disaster. Everybody was right. There is no life on Mars. I'm going home immediately. Oh, he left a package behind. And the Martian got it. Uh-oh. Where is my spaceship? Oh, is it lost? I can't believe it. I'm lost. Lost on Mars, where there is no life. Wait a minute. What's that? No way! It's life! It's on Mars and it's alive! Oh, it's a little flower. What an amazing discovery! I can't wait to get back to Earth and show everybody what I found. And look! My box of cupcakes! How did it get there? Now I've got to find my spaceship. I bet I'll get a good view from the top of that mountain. Ah, there it is! He went to find life and he's standing on it. What an adventure! I always believed there was life on Mars, and I was right! I think I deserve a treat. Oh, he's flying away. Oh, the Martian had the chocolate cupcakes! Oh, wow! Well, that was a great story, everybody. We'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye!